Welcome to solverfy.
In number 8 in A, let me reference the triangle here. So if we have triangle ABC, where we know angle C is right, let me actually do that a little bit different then. Side A is 11.3, side B is 9.2. We want to find angle A. Well, you can use right triangle trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. And from angle A, we've got the opposite and the adjacent. So that's tangent. We can say that the tangent of angle A equals 11.3 over 9.2. And so angle A would be the inverse tangent of 11.3 over 9.2. So into a calculator we go, make sure you're in degree mode, and then the inverse tangent of 11.3 over 9.2 is to the nearest degree would be 51 degrees. Triangle DEF, I'm going to erase some of this work now. Just to save space. We've got triangle DEF. Where angle D is 90. Side D is 8.7. Side F is 5.4. We want to find angle F. Well, from angle F, we've got the opposite and hypotenuse. Well, that's sine. The sine of angle F would be equal to 5.4 over 8.7. So angle F would be the inverse sine of 5.4 over 8.7. Which would be 38 degrees to the nearest degree. Now we're ready for number 9. In number 9, Janice is getting ready to climb a steep cliff. She needs to fasten herself to a rope that's anchored to the top of the cliff. To estimate how much rope she needs, she stands 50 meters from the base of the cliff and estimates that the angle of elevation to the top is 70 degrees. How high is the cliff? Well, from the angle of elevation, we've got the opposite and adjacent. We're back to tangent. Is opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of 70 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. Multiply both sides by 50, and you have the height 50 tangent 70. 137. Doesn't say what's around 2. We'll estimate 137 feet, or 137 meters. And in number 10, we want to solve for I and for J. Well, this is an isosceles triangle, so this is also 60 degrees, which makes it equilateral. All of them are 60 degrees, so these are 30 degrees. And we can use special right triangles. In special right triangles, specifically the 30, 60, 90, we'll write this bigger. We've got the short leg. The hypotenuse is always double the short leg, and the long leg is the short leg times the square root of 3. So If the one side is 8, I would be equal to 8 because it's going to be equilateral. And then j, since this would be 4, we've got short leg to long leg, which is times the square root of 3. So 4 square root of 3 exactly.